Do you know that you can start making money on daily basis on Binance without doing nothing? And also you have access to see as your profit increases every day. Binance has different services of which they render to individuals who will make use of the opportunity to earn money every day. All what you need to do in order to do that is to come right here and click on more. Just click on more. Then, as you can see, different services being rendered by Binance. We have auto invest, we have staking, we have savings. Under this saving, where you click on savings, you will see flexible savings account there, and that is for savings. But today, I want to show you on how to make your daily interest or your profit on daily basis under staking. So now, let me click on staking. As you can see, we are under staking. When you scroll down, you see different coin that you can enter as the coin that you want to invest. Under this staking now, we are under staking. Don't forget that staking is just like lock staking allows you to earn staking by locking your crypto on a blockchain at smart contract for a certain period of time. That is what staking stands for. So now, as you can see different coin under this, you can see when you scroll down, you see more and more. But in order for you to get your the coin, the exactly coin that you want to invest, you click on this searching space. Let me click on this searching space now. Then the next thing, don't forget, you click on the searching space, and the next thing is to enter the name of your coin. Like an example now, I want to enter AXS. AXS. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, just as you can see, these are the, now we have 19 days, which is the accumulated interest is 120.69%. Then we have also 60 days, of which the accumulated interest is 89.26%. Then we have 30 days, of which the accumulated interest rate is 72.27%. And now, as you can see here now, it's not available. It has been sold out. As you can see, sold out here. Sold out. It has been sold out. But now we want to stake. We want to click on stake now under these 19 days. So let's click on that 90 days. Now, as you can see, I just want to prove to you now for you to know that these 60 days has been sold out. I just want to click on it for you to see something. Now, as you can see, the product has sold out. That is, if you click on it, there's nothing unless you click on this or this. So now we want to click on this, the 19 days. Let's click on it. Now, the next thing to do now, if you already have this AXS coin on your wallet, or what you need to do, if you want to use all your balance to going into that investment, you click on maximum, which is MAX. When you click on maximum, then the total of your balance will surface here. Then if it is some of your balance that you want to use, you type the amount of AXS that you want to invest. So for example, now let me type 11, which is 11. And then you scroll down to see this is the date that you start the investment. This is the stake date. Then this is the value when you start receiving reward, which is your profit into your stake wallet, your stake investment account. Then under this interest end time, this is when your interest will end. As you can see, 2022 is 09, that is on 9/28 by 1 o'clock. So then when you scroll down, you see redemption date, which is the day that you can redeem what you have earned as profit also. So now, as you can see, this is when your interest will end. And in the second day, that is why you see 28 here and you see 29 here. In the second day now, you have the opportunity to redeem what you have earned. And that is so fantastic. And also, after you have entered that, you scroll down. When you scroll down, don't forget to click on this small box. When you click on it, then you click on confirm. It will change color. It's because I do not have we do not have a AXS as balance. I don't have it at present. That's why you would have seen this showing in a very bright color. So you just click on this confirm. Then for you to show you, I just want to show you on how to see this 3.27351 42 AXS, just to see the value in USDT or in US dollar, just to see the value of what you have earned in that 19 days. I just want to show you. I have an app here on my phone. I'll quickly show you now for you to be able to see. Just wait. Now let me quickly show you now. Let me show you. This is the app. It's been of help to me whenever I want to convert or to know the difference between the one coin to another, their value. So now what I need to do is to enter 3.273 514. Sorry. Okay. 3.273 514. As you can see, currently is 47, but it depends on how the, let me check again, 3.273 514. I'm right. So this is the current. As you can see, the USDT is equivalent to US dollar, so 47. And at present on the current price of AXS is, I think it's worth $14.89. That is $14.89 at present. I'm talking about the present conversion rate of AXS. So it's very interesting. And also, in case you do not have AXS coin on your wallet, and you have other coin like USDT, BTC, Solana, and the rest, and now you want this AXS. You want this AXS. All what you need to do is to swap, and this is very simple way on how to do that. Very simple. Let me show you way on how to do that. So let me click on bar button now for you to see how it goes. Now, what you need to do is to come down. You come right here and click on swap. Once you click on swap, let me click on swap. Just wait. And now, this is the coin I have available in my wallet that I want to swap. I want to get AXS coin. So this is the money I have. This is the coin I have presently on my listing, and I want to get AXS coin because it's the one I want to invest. Now, what you need to do is to enter your own coin here, which is USDT. It's already here now. In case it's not here, you click on this icon, this small icon. When you click on it, this is what it will show you. Then you come down here and select, and then that one is selected. Then the second one is the coin of which you want to invest, which is AXS. You click on this icon again. Then once you click on it, then in this very searching space, you enter the name of your coin there, which is AXS. Let me type AXS. Then you click on it. As you click on it, it's very simple. Then what you need to do is to come right here. Assuming I have a USDT right away here now, because I'm under trading. If I have it here, when I click, if it is all the amount as we did when we want to enter the amount we want to invest on the AXS, the same thing applicable here. You click on maximum. When you click on maximum, all the total balance of your USDT will appear here. And if it is some part of your balance on the USDT, you enter it here. Then you come right here and you click swap. It is very simple as ABC. While you are sleeping, you earn. This is quite different from trading. This is quite different from other services rendered by Binance. This is straightforward and it is very 100% legit. So it is more advisable. Any money that you know that is in your bank, of which you know that is not working for you, because in the bank system of nowadays, when you have your money in the bank, instead of you to have more interest, what we discover today, your money decreasing, and they deduct money on monthly, on weekly basis, and you discover sometime you just find your money being unnecessarily deducted. So to avoid that, the little token that you have, you can bring it to Binance, and you sleep while you keep on earning while you are sleeping, while you are working in the office, you keep earning on daily basis. So if this token, just little token amount that you have entered, of which I've showed you, can earn you this amount of money in just 90 days, I think it is more better than when you have it in your bank account and bank just deducting your money anyhow. So, like for instance, if you invest like 200, 150, 300, calculate it, how much you will earn when month ends, or when 60 days or 90 days are arrived. So that is how you can earn. Very simple. You don't need to trade. You don't need to do anything. Just put your money there, and it works for you while you are sleeping, while you are dreaming, while you are working in your office. If you find this video interesting, you can click on subscribe button. And also, if you have not registered on Binance, the registration link will be posted under the description of this video, so that you'll be able to see the link and register free of charge registration on Binance. So if you find this video interesting, you can click on subscribe button. You can also share this with your friend and family. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.